You will not receive lower payments as a result of this. We're talking about $100, $200, $400, and even $800 in this case. And in this video, we'll teach you how to achieve it utilizing this Google technique. This is a somewhat unknown Google trick that few people are aware of, and those who are aware of it keep it to themselves. I'm not sure why, but our main purpose on our channel is to offer all of the latest and greatest ways to make money online with our viewers. So we'll show you the finest of what we've got. What's incredible about this money-making strategy is that it's open to everyone, wherever on the globe. In other words, you may do this from anywhere in the world and be paid in a variety of different ways. Furthermore, this is absolutely free, implying that you will not be required to make any kind of financial commitment. Also, make sure you watch all the way to the end of this video to learn the Google secrets and start receiving your first rewards as soon as today. Also, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell to be notified whenever a new video on how to make money online is uploaded. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Let's return to the video now. So, the first thing I'd like you to do is go to google.com and search for shrinkme.io. The first result will be shrinkme.io, the most trusted URL shortener network, which is the website you are looking for. This link will take you directly to the website after you click it. Following that, I'll show you exactly how to earn up to $220 in only a few minutes. However, in order to start making money with this strategy, you must follow my instructions to the letter and use my Google trick correctly. Thousands of people are earning money every minute, and this is not an exaggeration. I'll demonstrate it to you by displaying payment proof on this website, which shows people being paid every minute. This video shows people from all around the world using this way to make money. They're also obtaining all of their money by adopting this way of cashing out. As we scroll down, we can find dozens upon dozens of income proofs from people all over the world who have used this strategy. They make it a point to pay you on schedule and in a timely manner. It never fails to make a payment. You can get paid in a variety of ways on our site by using various payment choices. They accept PayPal, bank transfers, Skrill, Payza, and a variety of cryptocurrency choices. As a result, it is critical that you follow these 3 simple actions in order to begin earning money. The first step is to establish an account and sign up for it. The second point is that you will need to shorten a URL link in order to share it over the internet. And in a moment, we'll show you just how to accomplish it. The third point is that we're going to show you how you can start making money in just a few minutes. However, you must set up this process correctly or it will not work. This will not work for you if you do not finish this video and follow the instructions all the way till the end. This could result in you not making any money, or even making money but having it stuck in your account, which we would want to avoid at all cost. So keep attentive and follow along with me throughout this entire video as I explain to you precisely how to achieve this step by step. So, to register for free, go to the top right corner of your page and click on Register. And here's something even better. Simply registering and signing up for a new account will earn you $1 right away. This is merely a welcome extra. You can begin withdrawing your funds once you have earned a minimum of $5. And, as previously stated, they pay out to their members on a daily basis, which is one of the primary reasons I like this website. Most other websites comparable to this one pay out weekly or even monthly, which can be inconvenient, so getting paid daily is quite easy. On shrinkme.io, on the other hand, you get paid almost instantaneously and can choose from a variety of payment ways. In a moment, I'll teach you how to use this Google trick to start earning money right now. But before we do that, I'd like to demonstrate to you how this whole process will operate for you. Essentially, we'll go to YouTube, find a specific video, and then grab a URL link from that specific YouTube video, then return to the website and paste that URL link right here in this box. This will shorten the YouTube URL link and give us a much more manageable link to use. In a moment, I'll guide you through exactly how to achieve this as an example walkthrough. But first, to give you a better picture of how this works, I'd like to give you a fundamental grasp of how it works. You can then share this abbreviated URL link with 2 additional websites online after shortening it. and we'll teach you how to use a little-known Google technique to obtain free traffic to your website. And whenever someone clicks on your link, you'll get paid nicely and generate money. As an example, I'll show you an alternative payment option that will be sent to you. Let's pretend that people from Greenland click on your link. You'll get $22 for every 1,000 clicks in this situation. Then, it'll show you how much you'll get for the United States, which is $7 per 1,000 clicks. Over time, you'll see a number of different people from various nations clicking on your link, which will result in various payout rates. And it's for this reason that I'd want to reveal this Google tip for getting the most clicks from Greenland so you can make the most money possible. I'm going to show you how to discover the best YouTube video to use, because if you found a lousy video, you're not going to make very much money. I'll show you how to locate the ideal video for this, and then we'll copy the URL link and shorten it to make it more shareable. After shortening your link, go to Google and apply the special Google trick that will show you how to make the most money possible with this strategy. I'm really looking forward to showing you how this works. If you're in the same boat, hit the like button and subscribe. So here's the first thing I'd like you to do. Go to YouTube and watch some videos. Based on what I've seen, the best performing videos are those about weight loss. When people need help losing weight or getting in shape, they go to YouTube and watch a variety of videos to fix their problem. So you're going to YouTube and searching for weight loss. Next, select This Week from the Filters drop-down menu. As a result, we must choose the video that has received the most likes, views, and comments this week. And we must do so since there will be competition from people who have lately uploaded videos that are identical to this. If you look closely, you can see that these videos, like the others, were uploaded quite some time ago. The first thing you'll do is look for the best performing videos. Take a look at this video, for example, which has a lot of views. So you want to open this video by clicking on it, and then you'll want to copy the URL link. So we're going to go back to shrinkme.io and paste this YouTube link into this box right here. So highlight the entire link and click copy. Once you've pasted this links into this box, simply click this button, which will generate a new short link for you to use. So make a note of this new brief link and save it for later use, as we'll be returning to it in this video. The next step will be to go to google.com and search for a selection of popular weight loss forums. Make sure you're paying attention so you can understand how this procedure works. To begin, perform a Google search for weight loss forum. After you've hit search, you'll find a number of weight loss forums. Because folks who want to lose weight will frequently participate in various forums in order to interact with others who are on a similar weight loss path. Folks who want to lose weight will frequently participate in various forums in order to interact with others who are on a similar weight loss path. The forums are an excellent resource for them to learn new skills and converse with people from all over the world. These are the individuals we are attempting to persuade to click on our link. As a result, you'll be joining many of these boards yourself. Here's an excellent example, and it's just one of many that you may join. Using Google search, you will be able to locate hundreds of different forums. Keep watching until the end to learn how to use a Google trick to attract a large number of people from Greenland to click on your link and help you make as much money as possible fairly and instantly. If people from Australia click on your link, you'll get $6 per 1,000 views. However, if people from Greenland click on your link, you'll earn nearly 4 times as much money per 1,000 views. This is definitely preferable since you'll make a lot more money, and I'll teach you how to do it step by step in a second. Please consider subscribing and hitting the like button if you find this video to be of great value. Okay, let's get back to the video. So, let's return to this website. After you've browsed the forums, you can usually join up for a completely free account. Let's take a look at this one as an example. To make your own account, click the Sign Up button and fill out all of the required information. To make an account, you'll need to enter your username, email address, and password. And you'll be submitting the identical information to all of the other forums you join. And the more forums you participate in, the more people will click on your sharing link, resulting in you earning even more money. And the more forums you participate in, the more people will click on your affiliate link, resulting in you earning even more money. So, how can we get individuals from Greenland, Ireland, or any other place that pays really well per 1,000 views to click on your affiliate link so you can make the maximum money with this method. That is the problem, because other individuals from other countries will click on your link, but that is okay because you will get money regardless. So here's the secret trick I'm about to show you. When you're doing multiple searches on Google, you'll want to go to Settings and select Advanced Search. You can see that you can choose any region right here. Greenland will be chosen from this list. Once you've selected Greenland, click on it and then scroll down to Advanced Search. After you've selected your region by Greenland, you'll notice that there are dozens of different varieties that are only found in Greenland. Then you can repeat the process to get a bunch more Greenlandic people to click on your link. However, as previously mentioned, the number of forms available to Greenlanders is relatively limited. As a result, the second best option is to concentrate your efforts on Ireland or perhaps the United States. As I previously demonstrated, you can just return to Google and select Advanced Options and then Advanced Search from the Settings menu. Then, go to Region and look for the country you want to target. You can do this as many times as you want, with as many countries as you want. This is perfectly legal and you will not get penalized in any way because you are not utilizing or submitting other people's content or videos as your own. All you're doing is copying and pasting from other YouTube weight loss videos. And the truth is that when you share other people's videos, the owners of those videos will appreciate it because you are increasing their viewership. Giving them more views will help them grow their own YouTube channels, which will make them much happier. This is the Google tip I mentioned earlier that will help you make money online. When you choose and target a specific country, you can develop a targeted emphasis on any group of people in order to earn a set amount of money. You can distribute this link in a number of different ways. You can put this link on all of these different Facebook forums or other sorts of online forums, or you can share it in the YouTube comment section on other YouTube videos. You can also share these links on your various social media sites because, as I mentioned previously, the more places you place your link, the more people who will click on it and the more money you will make. So now you've seen the secret process by which people from all around the world are able to make money using this strategy. That's all there is to it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the like button and notification button in order to be notified whenever we post a new video on how to make money online. If you are interested in learning more about how to generate money online, check out this video right here.